Hey there! Did you know that you can use Copilot agents to translate your Yara rules, OSQuery, ESQL, and KQL, and we're not talking about Custo, we're talking about Kibana, into KQL queries that can be used in Microsoft Defender? Let's get into it. So the idea for this came around after I noticed that in Defender, you're not really able to use any other query languages such as Yara, OSQuery, or what have you. And this can be a very big roadblock, especially for teams that are using multiple tools. Ideally, you want to use Defender, but let's be real here. That's not always the case, especially when you're using multiple different security programs and tools to monitor your network and your endpoints. So what I wanted to do is show you an easy and creative way using Copilot Studio to be able to translate your Yara rules and what have you into KQL queries that you can use within Defender. So let's hop on the computer and I'm going to show you how you can do it.
All right, so the idea around the Copilot agent is quite simple. So provided that you are able to access Copilot Studio, you can actually make this worth your while and use it pretty much in a few minutes. So right now I'm running Business Premium with a Copilot Studio trial. So if I can do it, you can do it. So essentially what it is a Copilot agent where we can send a Yara or OSQuery or KQL Lucene query to it, and it will translate it into custom query language that we can use in Microsoft Defender. So for example, I'm just going to bring up one that I have copied here. And we're just going to ask the UDT here to translate it. So if all goes well, it should be able to detect that it is a Yara rule and then translate it into Custo. So let's hit enter. Let's see what it has to say. So it's going to search, do its thing. And as you can see here, it's going to tell you the rule detected, a summary of the rule, as well as a translation into KQL, which you can then copy and paste for threat hunting or what have you. It also has additional explanation as well as some other recommendations as well that you can put in there to optimize your KQL query and make sure that it is running correctly. So now you're probably wondering, how do I get started and how do I start using this? Well, the answer is quite simple. All you have to do is go to my GitHub repository at github.com/pyrotech and you will be able to access the prompt there. Included is instructions on how to get it started, as well as some Q&A and some examples. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this demonstration. I hope you're able to get great use out of it, and stay secure, stay safe. Bye for now.